Merry Christmas to me. Nothing like Christmas in January. Starting my year and it's the beginning. Thanks to DX Engineering. Yeah, baby, let's go. Hey guys, Adam KB8VOM. I hope you like the intro. Yes, I do sing better than that. I was just being funny. And I'm excited. So I'm going to try to do this unboxing all by myself because I can't wait no longer. Good friend of mine, John AF80. He knows what's in the box. But here we go. And yeah, it's Christmas in January. My year is just beginning thanks to DX Engineering. And look at this. The lights. Let's see here. Let me just tilt it. Man. This is going to be a very good radio once it's up and going. It is the Anytone AT-D890UV. And this is a different radio. They've actually changed the case to a navy blue instead of a black case like the rest of them. DMR NXDN Bluetooth wireless. There's APRS, airband, and digital communications, which I have never been on digital yet. So lots of fun. It's been lots of learning. And yeah, my year is just getting started. And I'm sorry about the lights. Just trying to do the best I can. Let's say in there. Yeah. Like a Bluetooth switch, user manual, charging cradle, carrying strap, antenna, battery, PC cable, and a belt clip. All right, more to come. Merry Christmas. Well, this is my first purchase from DX Engineering. I used to always go through Universal Radio and then over to Gigaparts. But yeah, this is a nice surprise in the bottom of the box. And got some stickers. I thought that was pretty cool. I like stickers. Add them to the collection. All right, guys. So here's what we've got: USB, just a USB charging cable with the wall wart, and here is the charging cradle. And this is a wrist strap for the radio. And this is the belt clip. The radio itself, and I don't know if you can tell or not, it is blue in color. Let's see if I can get that one real quick. Yeah, it's navy blue. Oh, she's beauty. Yeah. And then the battery for it. They've included a very long antenna, which I prefer, especially for VHF. And it works better long range for UHF. This is the one I'll probably keep on it most of the time. It's smaller, as I'm just going to be pretty much using it around the shack here, unless I go out and about. And this is a little PTT Bluetooth push to talk. So you can strap and take this strap and strap it around this and strap it to your steering wheel to make it hands-free if you want to go that route. PC charging cable. Not a bad looking cable. That's how you program the radio. And then lots and lots and lots of studying. what I haven't already picked up and learned so far. So, all right, guys, I won't have another video till I get it up and running. But that's the haul. All right, catch you guys later. Bye.